Want to get your hands on PEPE coin but don't know where to start? Well, you're in the right place. PEPE is one of the hottest meme coins out there right now, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy it. Fast, easy, and secure. And yes, if you're in Canada, this video is for you. So stay tuned because I'm walking you through it all, step by step. Alright, before you can grab your PEPE, you'll need some USDC on the Ethereum network. So how do we get that? Through Paytrie. Let's break it down quickly. First, head over to Paytrie and log into your account. If you don't have one, no worries, it's super easy to set up. Now, select USDC on Ethereum and choose the amount you want to buy. For this example, let's say you want to grab $100 worth. Next, grab your Ethereum wallet address. If you're using MetaMask, Coinbase, or Exodus, this is where you'll send your USDC. Time to complete the payment. Paytrie will guide you through using Interac e-transfer. It's a quick and easy process. Now click on Pay with Interact and find your bank institution in this list and log in and accept transfer. Once you complete the payment, your USDC will be sent to your Ethereum wallet. Just sit tight. It should arrive in about 60 minutes. Now comes the fun part, swapping your USDC for PEPE. Here's how to do it using Uniswap. First, head over to Uniswap at Uniswap's website. You'll see a button to connect your wallet. Select USDC as the token you're swapping, and PEPE as the token you want to receive. A quick tip, make sure you have a little bit of ETH left in your wallet to cover the gas fees. Now double check those details. If everything looks good, hit swap and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the Ethereum network confirms the transaction, you'll see your PEPE tokens in your wallet. It's that easy.